Today I'm going to demo the multi-view feature in Producer. I'll create either the quad or dual views using the custom video input source 7. I have the producer session running with 4 different live sources. Now I'm going to build a custom video using all my 4 live sources. I click on add custom video. I would like to build the quad view, and then I would like to provide all the 4 sources as input to build this multi-view. All right, and then I provide a background image of my choice. I am done. So now it creates the quad view. I can check it in the preview and get ready to output this quad video to production. When I create a quad view or a dual view with 2 different sources, essentially all the 4 quarters or 2 quarters of the video will have fluid real-time performance and video quality of the ingested live source. When I am building a quad view or a dual view, again I need to check the audio control page. Instead of the default audio follow video, you can essentially enable audio 7, which will combine all the audio sources into this quad view, and it can be taken out from the producer output. Thank you.